Welcome to Shillard's Cuisine Art. Today I'm going to explore chicken tikka masala, and for that I'm going to make a gravy. So I took half onion, few tomatoes, ginger, garlic, very less, just for taste. You can skip as well. Then I have 4 to 5 cashews, cumin and poppy seeds, cloves, cinnamon, and black pepper, and just 1 cardamom, heavy cream, coconut oil, and the magic ingredient is dry methi powder. That's the mixture. I'm going to add coconut oil and pour that mixture in here and keep stirring till it cooks. So I added the bay leaf, just 1, and half a tablespoon of powdered fenugreek leaves, 16 ounce heavy cream, and I'm going to add minimum 2 spoons of sugar. So I won't call this as everyday type of healthy dish, but yeah, on the weekend sometimes, if your kids like, if you like, it's okay. It can be cheat day, one day cheat day, it's fine. Yeah, it's nicely cooking. For more professional touch, I'm going to add either the eating red color, or I don't mind actually adding the ready-made tomato paste. So I'm going to add 1.5 spoons of ready-made tomato paste. It will give us a nice tangy sugary taste. This is looking awesome. I like the consistency, and obviously we added tomato paste for tanginess. We added salt and sugar, but I do want to add the red chili powder because I don't want just tangy and sugary. I do want a little spice to it. It's totally optional. So I'm going to just add half a tablespoon of spice to it. And yeah, that's about it. Let the chicken cook and we will serve. Okay, here you go. Chicken tikka masala is ready. Eat with naan bread. Thanks for visiting my channel. Bye.